2025 is right around the corner, and now's your chance to make it your year. We all want to do better, achieve more, and unlock new potential. But how do you actually make it happen? It's not about drastic changes, it's about consistent, intentional steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 2025 your year in just 7 easy steps. No more failed New Year's resolutions. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video for all the actionable advice, and if you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on successful personal growth. Without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Get clear on your goals. The first thing you need to do is get clear on your goals. Don't just say, I want to lose weight or I want to be happy. Be specific. Set clear, measurable goals like I will work out for 30 minutes 5 days a week, or I will read 1 book every month. Write down your goals and make them specific, measurable, and achievable. Make sure you know exactly what you're working towards. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Step 2. Break big goals into small actions. Big goals can be overwhelming. To avoid feeling stuck, break them down into small, manageable steps. Instead of saying, I'll exercise more, plan specific activities like Monday, 20-minute jog, or Tuesday, 30-minute weight training session. Take your big goal and break it into small, actionable tasks. Focus on what you can do today to move closer to your goal. As Robert Collier says, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Step 3. Create consistent habits. Now that you've broken down your goals, it's time to create habits. Set a routine you can follow every day. Start your mornings by doing something productive, whether it's working out, reading, or planning your day. Consistency is the key. Consistency matters more than intensity. Start by creating a morning or evening routine that helps you take the first step toward your goals every day. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Step 4. Focus on one thing at a time. Trying to do too many things at once can overwhelm you. Instead, focus on one thing at a time. Whether it's reading a chapter of a book or working on a project, give it your full attention until it's done. Choose one main task or goal to focus on each day or week. Completing one task at a time will help you build momentum. As David Allen says, the author of Getting Things Done, you can do anything, but not everything. Step 5. Embrace failure as feedback. Along the way, you will most likely face setbacks. Maybe you miss a workout or fall off track. That's okay. Whenever this happens, it's important to never miss twice. The key is to see failure as feedback, not defeat. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And use it as an opportunity to adjust your approach. Don't fear failure. Instead of letting it stop you, treat it as a lesson and move forward. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Step 6. Stay accountable. Accountability is one of the most powerful tools you can use. Share your goals with someone you trust and check in regularly. Knowing someone is supporting you will keep you motivated even on tough days. Find an accountability partner who will encourage you and help you stay on track. Check in weekly to discuss your progress. Accountability is the glue that ties commitment to the results. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Finally, don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Every step forward counts, and acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated. Whether it's treating yourself to a nice meal, or taking a day off to relax, celebrate the victory. It could be as simple as taking a moment to appreciate how far you've come. And remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So that's how you can make 2025 your year. Start by getting clear on your goals. Break them down into small, actionable steps. Build consistent habits, focus on one thing at a time, and don't fear failure. Use it as feedback. Stay accountable and celebrate your small wins. Remember, consistency is the key to success, not perfection. Focus on small actions every day. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Keep going. I hope these tips help you make 2025 your best year yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel and lets me know you're enjoying the content. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more motivation, tips, and personal growth content. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one goal you're excited to crush in 2025? Let me know below and feel free to share your thoughts, feedback, or any questions you might have. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 your year.